Klan.
Kanda pi tarai kan ni kapisa. Kali jono kan ni. Ba, ka hospital te kala ajkai nang ni.
Binti aswa hang ni haduh nda de por kamu.
Sister, hap siu kat noma?
Ka sarkar kala siulut ikijing lut jing separo. Namar man ka way pa ka way ka minsim ka long ka koridor.
Usembut Menteri Rangba kejelau ba Prestone tensong le penchai pat ba kejeng betha ya Nonghikai ha kakam thok khan samari kedom kata kakam hikai jongki hagi skul. Kat kum kejeng penchai ju kejeng trei ha ka thok khan samari kan chimpor tang kumba lai posngi ei ba kene kene kakam kabla ban pendap klam da penbor palat ya Nonghikai namar kila ban trei kakam kumba ar haduh sau Kynta hadien Wai Skul. Kakam kalong ke besok nomor Nonghikai ki datang man pendap yaki form bat pensyai ki jing dan kam hak no snong. Bakin hak bandai tang kom basau haruk santli ki yang hak Shisngi halagi jong ki snong rengkat ke jing trailang bat kirang ba snong. Uba Prestone tunsong lepen mena baka sarkar kan siau ke jing siau ku bekerpang ya kitu Nonghikai ki besim bentah kan kam thok kana samari. Ula kedo baka sarkar kan ai ya ka lamsam bonus ka balak ban kot hap deng ka khatsan hajar tengka hadu arpo hajar tengka kum kejing pencelur ba kejing siu kejing trish tom jengki ha ka pendap ikania ka enumeration ka besi benai baru gini kejing penbet ka kam kini lengba ki block development officer ki bene selok ba kirang ba snong ki managing committee jengki skul ba ki tanat sarkar badai kemi kenang ba kepudu beti kan syakta ha ka pendap ikania ka kam thok khana samari.
Very, very simple, let me tell you. See, for this first phase, we have calculated it takes only 30 days. Only 30 days, the teachers can go to those designated villages where we already assigned. Only 30 days. That 30 days also, it is up to them. You know, because they can work maybe after school, 2 hours, 3 hours. They can go along with the help of the traditional heads, the Rambashnong. They'll go maybe 4-5 houses in a day, another 4-5 houses in a day, because this is about the enumeration. Okay, it's about enumeration. The form is already there. The prescribed form is already there. Ask, fill up, explain to the citizens of the state. It's very simple. So we have already calculated that it is not that overloaded of work is there. Rather, I should say, there'll be also beneficially, monetarily benefited, because we are also giving them some bonus, lump sum amount for 1 month. I think the range is between 15 to 20,000. That is it. So I don't see any problem as of now, because those teachers, and not only that, it's not only from the state government level we did this. This is done because the charge officer is the BDO of the respective block. So the BDO will only engage them after consultation with the Rangbashnong, with the managing committee, and then with the concerned department. So once that is done, then only the order for engaging them in this activity starts.